This video demonstrates how to use a robot for teaching point recording. There are currently 3 methods for recording points. Can be accessed by the button box, and buttons, or web app. First, let's look at how to record teach points using a button box or end-of-arm buttons. Points recorded through these 2 methods. We click the dot button on the button box. Point saved successfully can be observed in the corner of the page. At the same time, you can see the purple light flashing at the robot's end. Similarly, we click the endpoint button. The same record for point test 2 can be seen. Here you can set the prefix for teach point configuration. A custom name or one determined based on the program name. You can also set an upper limit for the numbering. Once the upper limit is reached, subsequent recording points will start over from 1 and overwrite the existing records. The optional range for the upper limit of the number is 130. Typically, these 2 methods are used in conjunction with a drag. Then record the points via the web app. We typically use jog control to operate the robot. Let's take a look at how to control the robot using page click commands. The first page is about moving in Cartesian space. We can jog operations on this page based on the currently selected coordinate system. The movement method is identical, differing only in the reference coordinate system. This video demonstrates only the base coordinate system. When we press and hold the left button, we can control the robot to move along the z-axis. The maximum distance moved by a single long press is determined by the threshold. After adjusting the threshold, we can observe that the robot's maximum single move distance has changed. We can also make the robot rotate around an axis to change its own posture. Open the single-axis jog page. Here we can perform jogging operations based on the rotation directions of the robot's 6 axes. Similarly, the maximum single rotation angle is affected by the threshold. Open the multi-axis interlocking page. Here we can simultaneously adjust the angles of each axis. After dragging, a white ghost image will appear on the 3D model, used to represent the joint positions of the robot after dragging. If you encounter any issues, click Restore to revert to the previous state. After confirmation, click Apply. The robot will move to the target location. Next, we will proceed based on the jog method. How to record points on a page. Click the Teach Point menu button. Here we can enter the prefix and name of the teach point, then click Record. You can see that the robot will prompt you if a point with the same name already exists. We can click Cover to overwrite the record. You can see the lower left corner indicating that the teach point has been saved successfully. The teach points we have recorded can be viewed here. Following each point name, its Cartesian coordinates and joint angles will be displayed, and the coordinate system it resides in. We can select the teach point, modify its location information, then click Modify. We can also delete previously recorded teach points. Here we can import and export teach points. You can also use the search bar to filter the desired teaching points from among the many available. That concludes our introduction to teaching point recording. Thank you all.